Okay everyone, so today we are going to attempt two different versions, or two different colors of that decor. So I keep seeing it pop up everywhere and wanted to try it out for you guys. So I came up with two color schemes that I thought would kind of go pretty cool. One is a little bit more spring tone with a Valspar Brazilian blush, SOHO Cad Red, COLORSHIFT Green Flash, and SOHO Gold. Bringing those soft pastel springtime colors. And then over on this side, throwing in a little bit of a nod towards summer, we are going with the LUKAS Gold Bronze, the LUKAS Prussian Blue, the COLORSHIFT Blue, and the Premier Purple Red. So we have spring and we'll have summer. So let me get the base coat down for you guys and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have our base down, I got my hairdryer all set up. I have this old Conair Eon Shine forever. Hopefully it has enough power. It is loud. It is a lot louder than a lot of the hairdryers that I've used. So I will be throwing in some nice music for you guys during that. Let's get started. I think we're gonna lay down the colors for the spring, or for the summer first. Alright, so to start, I've seen people puddle them up all into one location in a circle and then blow it out, but we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do something else that I've seen that I like. And that's where you lay the colors. This is probably a lot. Okay, so not exactly what I was hoping for. It's definitely different. We're gonna just move that one aside. Sorry, summer. Let's move on to spring and cross our fingers for a better result. Good times. Good times. Okay. I'm going to start off with the strongest one, the red. Just a smidge. Then the pink. Then the gold. And the green. Let me see if I have anything, another hairdryer in this place. Give me one moment. Okay, I'm back. Couldn't find another hairdryer, so I am trying something. Took a cup, put a slit in it, put it over it. Hopefully it will funnel enough air through here. And we're going to be extra careful and tape this up. Here is our ghetto version of one of those caps for your hairdryer. Oh, MacGyver, you eat your heart out. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so that one had a lot better results. And I just want to touch one more thing up in here in the corner. Just gotta clean this white up a bit. Other than that, love the way it turned out. Because it looks like a flower, which is exciting. So, that is what we were aiming for. Not that. Don't do that. That looks... that. Let me scrape that real quick, and we'll do a redo. Okay, so as we continue to make a mess, I replaced two of the colors. So we're going to do SOHO Yellow Ochre instead of the LUKAS CRYL Gold Bronze. Still sticking with the LUKAS CRYL Prussian Blue and the COLORSHIFT Blue. And we're replacing the red, purple red, for the Deco Art Festive Green. So we're going to do the same thing.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging or painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Okay, so here we have it. Tilt that, there we go. Get some of that glare off there so you guys can see this a little bit better. I'm loving this one. I definitely have ideas for this when it is dry, and I'm going to attempt it with this one as well. This one has so many cool, pretty color mixtures. I'm so glad I exchanged the gold for the yellow ochre. It's getting some very cool color combinations mixed in with that COLORSHIFT blue. But I just wanted to kind of tie them together with the green. So we have a blue yellow kind of flower going on, and then a pink red going on. But here we go. It all worked out in the end. Well, let me know what you guys think of this little Dutch fort. Did you guys like it? Is this something you guys want to see again? I have more ideas, especially for like animals and everything, and certain birds and stuff that I want to play around with the same kind of concept, maybe adding one color at a time and blowing it out, but we'll see. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments below. Maybe there's a bird or an animal you guys want to see or want me to attempt doing this that I can embellish after to make it look more like it. Yeah, till next time, I will see you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit the face right here. Also, I have these two videos popping up right now. One is for the newest video, and then this one will be for a recommended video. So click on these. Also, don't forget to check out all of my sites listed in the description below.